Morning, I'm Stuart and this is the bin cleaner pressure washing services. So what we got today? Big block paving driveway and round the back, pretty green. Let's have a look at it. Right, let's have a look, see what we've got to do today. This is the job. Block paving driveway. Shifted a bit, it's got some gaps. I've done this one before, but I never got a video of it last time. Last time I did it, my cousin lived here. And these are now new people. They've been here a while. That's the front. I've had to park my van on the drive. Not a lot of parking space. Let's have a look down the back. Down here. Into the back. Bit of green there. And up there. Let's go and have a look. Into the back there. Lots of weeds to get rid of. I think we'll just use the turbo nozzle on this one. I don't think the flat surface cleaner is going to get all that out properly. We'll see. It should come up nice, this, because I've done it before. And if I remember rightly, it took a heck of a lot of sand. Back out to the front. Batmobile. The view. Nice view. Really quiet. For the next 5 minutes anyway, till I get started. Wake the neighbours. Good. Well, as we like to say, let's get stuck in. See you in a bit.
You try hard to find the answer when no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know. It's weighing me down. Got my feet on the ground. Let's hide away from the lies and run away from the night. Let's run away. We're falling hard to find the answer. With this life we live, be all that matters. The life of dreams.
recording this? Me. Anyway, we've got the back clean. We've put the magic sauce down, letting it do its magic. It's soaking in. We've got to keep on top of this, don't let it go dry. Let's have a look. There we go. Looks a lot better. No green on it anymore. Got a bit of a water trap around this corner. Just there at the bottom. That's all nice and clean. Which is good. That came up nice, look. Got some paint on the floor there. But got rid of all the black spot. Going out to the van. Bit of them up there. Right, so while that's doing, while that special sauce is doing its magic, you know what that means? Brew time. While I'm here, let me show you these. We have a few guys that put all the slop dosh into gorilla tubs. Then you have to get rid of it somewhere. But they hold all the water. I got these from Screwfix. Cracking idea. They're like they're a bag, like a rubble bag, but they're made of plastic, like a Hessian plastic, all woven. So, what you do, scrape all your crap up. As you can see, well, you can't see, hang on. As you can see inside there, scrape all your crap up, all the water drips out the bottom. So what you do then is just go to your nearest grid when you've got enough in it, leave it over the top of the grid, and all your water drains into the grid, and then you're left with a fairly dry load of mud in your bag. So anyway, let's get this brew. Gagging, got all front to do yet. So anyway, how you all doing? Not seen you for a while. Thanks everybody for subscribing. Amazing. Nearly at 500 now. Let's get to 500. I'm after 1,000, but let's get to 500 first. That'd be cracking. We appreciate every single one of you for supporting the channel. Makes it all worthwhile. And if you like what we do, don't forget, down below, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, then you won't miss any more. More? Where do I come from? So you don't miss any more. So what's happened since I last seen you? Well, we've been doing a bit of canvassing. Putting our flyers out. Dangerous job this, I tell you. Why? Why is it a dangerous job? Look. Bitten by a dog. Posting this through a letterbox. Straight through my finger. Straight through, well, caught 3 fingers. Blood everywhere. Post you a picture if I can. Oh, God, it hurt. Scared me to death. So I messaged the lady. Nice and polite. Just to say that I got caught by her dog. And could she make it safe? Because it could be anybody. I was thinking of taking my lad out, doing some canvassing with me. I mean, he's 14. But imagine if it had happened to him. Anyway, I'd have been devastated if it had happened to him, you know. But anyway, she sorted it. What had happened is the back of her letterbox inside the house, where the bristles are normally, that fell off. Well, that normally stops a dog getting to you, doesn't it? Not me. That fell off, walloped like a guillotine, honestly. And then to rub salt into the wound, as I'm bouncing about in the street, swearing and shouting and bleeding everywhere, the dog comes to the front window with my flyer stuck in its gob, barking at me. You cheeky sod. Anyway, better get cracking on. See you in a bit.
Try hard to find the answer when no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after.
Hey guys, it's Tuesday morning, so the day after I cleaned this patio driveway. I had to wait for it to dry out so I could resand it. It's bloody windy today. I don't know if you can hear me because of this wind. Anyway, I've come along, resanded it all. I've not filmed it because it was a bit windy, too windy for the tripod. So let's have a look. Woo! Blowing a gale. Right, here we are. There we go. It's turned out nice. Didn't see this part yesterday because it had the van on it. But yeah, it's come up nice. I think the customer will be pleased with this. Next door's happy with it anyway. Sorry if this turns out bad, I'm walking into the sunshine. Hang on a second. There we go. Well, that's the front. Like I said, turned out lovely. Let's have a look around the back. Turned out nice and clean. I do like doing this kind of block. Indian sandstone there. And then up the back. Just remember the square where the mat was. That's all gone, all the green's gone. A little bit down there, can't do the bottom there, it's a trap. Still all wet and muddy there. Done as close as we can. I'm happy with this one. Took more sand than I thought it would. 6 bags of sand. Well, 5.5 bags of sand. Because of this wind, I bet I've lost half a bag of sand because of this wind. Feel that? Listen, if you can hear me. Back out to the front. Now, I think next trip, car wash, state. So, finished. Another one for the books. Call it a day. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.
It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows.